Hey guys, Adam from BN.Digital here, the agency offshoot of BizNexus. The quick tip for our HubSpot setup: all of our clients get put into a HubSpot CRM. If you're on the social selling program, we will put all contacts into the CRM, where that will be enriched with contact data. So address, email, company info, social profiles, everything that you'd need to make a warm or cold call to somebody when you need to. So what we've had, we get the LinkedIn URLs and the Facebook URLs and the Twitter URLs for these clients, and it's not really logical the way HubSpot does it. It doesn't look like it's clickable, but it is. So when you hover over the link, you'll see this little box that kicks out, right? So LinkedIn example, click on that little box. It's going to open up the LinkedIn profile in a separate tab. It's that easy. I don't know why HubSpot doesn't make the link clearly clickable, but that's just the way they do it. That's not us, it's them. We love HubSpot. We just hope they fix that. So again, LinkedIn URL, Facebook URL, Twitter URL, any of these, website URL, you want to click this little box here, and that's going to take you directly to the page that you're looking for. That's it. Hang us with any questions. info@bn.digital.